Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 and Galaxy Buds 3 Pro finally went official at the company's second Galaxy Unpacked of the year held in Paris. Samsung's latest generation of truly wireless stereo (TWS) earphones resemble Apple's AirPods. The Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 series come with a new design. The standard Galaxy Buds 3 have an open-type design, whereas the Pro are in-ear type. Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 are priced at $179.99. The Galaxy Buds 3 Pro are priced at $249.99. They are available in silver and white colorways. The Galaxy Buds 3 have a one-way 11mm dynamic driver, while the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro have a two-way 10.5mm dynamic speaker with a 6.1mm planar. Both models pack 3 microphones and voice pickup units and offer active noise cancellation (ANC) features to identify surrounding sound and automatically adjust the optimal level of noise and sound without manual adjustment. The Galaxy Buds 3 series include Bluetooth 5.4. The Galaxy Buds 3 family get a few AI-based features like interpreter and voice command as part of the Galaxy AI package. The Galaxy Buds 3 earbuds are equipped with a 48 mAh battery each, while the charging case houses a 515 mAh battery. The Galaxy Buds 3 Pro house 53 mAh battery in each earbud, and the charging case has a 515 mAh battery. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.